Sintra AI versus ChatGPT. I'm going to tell you the difference between Sintra AI and ChatGPT. Sintra AI is built mainly for investors and traders. It pulls live financial data, analyzes market trends, and helps users make smarter decisions in crypto and stocks. It's got dashboards, portfolio tracking, real time alerts, and even trading signal based on sentiment and technical analysis. On the other hand, ChatGPT is a broader tool powered by OpenAI. It's built for conversion, content creation, coding help, research, and general problem solving. While ChatGPT can answer finance questions and generate trading strategies, it doesn't offer direct market integrations like Sintra does. Sintra is more of a niche tool with a trading first mindset, while ChatGPT is a versatile assistant with plugins and advanced data tools that cover a wider range of tasks. If you're deep into markets, Sintra is a focused sidekick. If you want flexibility across work, writing, and research, ChatGPT is more powerful.